Today's world, fast-paced, global, connected. Meet an organization that's redefining the manufacturing landscape in India. Meet Aequs Infra. An organization with over a decade's experience in building vertically integrated manufacturing ecosystems. India's first aerospace manufacturing cluster at Belgavi, founded in 2010. Spread over 250 acres, the BAC is a world-class manufacturing ecosystem that's home to some of the largest aerospace manufacturers in the world. And now, the journey continues. India's first toy manufacturing cluster at Koppal in North Karnataka, spread over 400 acres with a mix of SEZ, DTA and FTZ. The KTC caters to the fast-growing toy manufacturing value chain. First consumer durables manufacturing cluster, spread over 420 acres with a mix of SEZ, DTA and FTZ. The HDC caters to the exciting consumer durables manufacturing value chain. Aequs Infra is redefining manufacturing in India. But at the heart of our customer is the value we bring to our partners. Partnering with our customers, ensuring optimal productivity and higher profitability. We are not just developing infrastructure, we are helping convert dreams into reality. Aequs Infra, building world-class manufacturing ecosystems.